शहर हैदराबाद की खवातीन ने कर्नाटक की बाहिजाब तालिबात व खवातीन की हिमायत में आज सईदाबाद इलाके में दुआया इज्तिमा का इनेकाद किया। इस मौके पर मुसलमान खवातीन और तलबा की कसीर तादाद ने हिस्सा लिया। सईदाबाद में वाक़ दरगाह उजाले शाम खुनूत नाजिला का एहतमाम किया गया। आपको बता दें कि खुनूत नाजिला एक दुआ है और ये दुआ उस वक्त पढ़ी जाती है जब मुसलमान बरदरी कोई मुश्किल वक्त से गुजरती है। सैकड़ों खवातीन व तालिबात ने इस दुआया इज्तिमा में हिस्सा लेकर कर्नाटक के तालीमी इदारों में मुसलमान बाहिजाब तालिबात के साथ इख्तियार किए गए रवैये की मजम्मत की और उनके लिए दुआएं की।
बातिल बेकारी वार है, हिजाब है, हिजाब है। बातिल तेरी हार है, हिजाब है, हिजाब है। बातिल तेरी हार है, हिजाब है, हिजाब है। हिजाबी बहनों से रिश्ता क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। हिजाबी बहनों से रिश्ता क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। कर्नाटक की बहनों से रिश्ता क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। हिजाबी बहनों से रिश्ता क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। हिजाबी बहनों से रिश्ता क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। लड़की से तकबीर से
एक कुछ नहीं है ना
नारे तकबीर से नारे तकबीर से
मत चला रहा
नारे तकबीर
Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the women of Saidabad have gathered here in large number to show support and solidarity to the brave sisters of Karnataka who have stood up against the tyranny and oppression of the Karnataka government, most probably the government of India and their college management. We are not denying the fact that the practice of one's religion is the constitutional and fundamental right. But as a Muslim woman or the Muslim women all over the globe practice hijab, niqab and practice their religious affairs because it is an obligation in our religion. We do it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And all the hate mongers all over the world, especially here in India and Karnataka, know this very fact and they are attacking our faith. They are trying to prevent us to follow the religious practices. They are trying to prevent us from doing the rituals, the traditions and the following and the teachings of Quran and Sunnah. It is no doubt, and as for the history to be taken care of, we know that the hijab was banned in France in the same pattern that it is going on in Karnataka. Eventually, if we don't resist here and if we don't fight for the deen and for our rights to wear the hijab and for our deen and iman and our faith and to follow the command of Allah Ta'ala, if we don't resist now, this will eventually lead to the hijab ban in India and we are not going to tolerate it. As for the fact to split here, I am telling you that the girl who was harassed by the mob and the goons, they were not only the RSS goon. We are here to clear the fact that they were there. All of them were from the educational backgrounds. They were from the highly educated background. They were from the prestigious educational institute. Those were not the RSS goon. Those was the Hindu boys who were from the educated backgrounds. So we can see how this hatred has taken its root in India. As a Muslim woman and the women of Saidabad here are here to make it very clear that we are not going to be dictated by anyone but Allah Ta'ala. We are going to obey the commands of our Allah and Rasul and no one else. No one is here. We will not allow anyone to dictate us of how to dress or how to practice our religion or how to show commandments to Allah Ta'ala. If someone dare to threaten us, if someone dare to dictate us, we will resist, we will fight for our deen, we will fight for our right to practice.
اللهم احفظ ديارهن اللهم احفظ
أموالهن اللهم احفظ المسلمين والمسلمات اللهم احفظ المؤمنين والمؤمنات اللهم احفظ القانتين والقانتات اللهم احفظ نساء المسلمين